Okay, just entered a trade here at this 786.50 level, which is right here, a high probability setup based initial target down here at 786, which is just basically 2 ticks away. Once that target is hit, our stop will move down, and that stop will actually go to a -4 based on how I have my dome set up here, which with a 2 positive and a -4 negative from break even, that basically puts us in our trade after this initial target. It puts us in there right at basically a max loss of $25 if our first target is hit. And because of the way that we do our setups, these first targets are typically hit you know, fairly quickly. And what we are looking at here, let me just erase this line, is we have a situation where we have a tick breakout, and we waited for our ticks to come back up towards the high end of their range, which they were here right when I got into that trade. So we would expect these ticks to work their way down back to the lower end. We are in a negative situation here in relationship to our advanced decline setups, and our trend is close to being on the negative position is in relationship to you know, its values. So we have a bearish market condition. We have a optimal trade entry, which is high probability. Worst case, we're only 7 ticks away anyway. So you know, the overall risk on this trade is very minimal to begin with. But as you see, when we hit this 86 number, you'll see this stop move down, at which point we'll be in a much lower risk, like I said, a maximum of $25 position. So let's just wait and see how this goes, and I'm going to pause this video just to keep it short. I just wanted to show you the setup ahead of time, and when it moves to this 86 level, if it does, we will come back on as we approach our profit target level, which actually should be down here around 83.50. So I'm going to just move this maximum target down a little more just to give us some room, and I will come back on once we start moving to this this area. And as you can see, it looks like we might be hitting this first target pretty soon. It is now 1:28 in the afternoon Eastern time. So let's just pause for okay, we just coming back here. We are a few minutes later than when we shut off here, but as you can see, the price action has moved down through this 86 level. So we have taken our first profit target. We've adjusted our stop now on our remaining contract to 87.50, which is still, as you can see, still above this high. And we have our final target down here at 783, and we're on our way. So we're basically in what I would consider a risk-free trade now. We're just going to let it mature and do what it needs to do. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this video again, and I'll bring it back when we get down to this 783 level, or when we get stopped out, either way. Again, we are in basically a very low risk trade. Worst case, we're going to lose $25 on this trade. Best case, the 25 that we've made plus a target down here 3 points away, which is another 150. So this trade at full profit should bring in $150, which would obviously take this total balance up to 350. So I will pause it, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are getting real close here to our profit target. As you can see, we're almost down at this 783.50 level. The trade is building nicely. I'm assuming that it's going to get taken out here in the next few minutes. Just once we've moved this far, I'm going to go ahead and move this stop down to the point where we are guaranteed profits. So we now have oh, there you go, we're out. Our target was hit, as you can see here on the graph. So hope that was helpful. Hope that gives you an idea of the conservative nature of my style of trading and to expect as far as, you know, taking a, no more than 8 to 10 trades a day and trying to get enough money. This was obviously just a one